So you came here to find out if you have secure boot enabled or not in your Linux box without the need of poking in the BIOS. Let me show you how it's done. So just open your beautiful terminal. You don't need to be root to do this, and you type mok-util --sb-state. This is going to tell you if your secure boot is enabled or not in your BIOS without the need of poking around in the BIOS, rebooting the server, the PC, the desktop, whatever the case. And we find out that in my case, secure boot is disabled. I do prefer to have secure boot disabled in most of my systems, but that's a different discussion. I'm not telling you here what you should do if you should have it or not. That's not the case here. That's not in discussion right now. All of that. Just if you want or need to find out if you have secure boot enabled or not in your system, mok-util sb state. So you know that secure boot in Linux are kind of a theme, kind of a story, kind of a thing to tell. But again, that's for a different moment. So if you want to find out, you have it here. I hope this is useful. It is useful for me. So of course, it must be also useful for you. Like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers, guys.